Good morning. We are in Finca Tatin, and this is our home for a couple of days in the middle of the jungle in Guatemala.
Finca Tatin is truly a hidden gem here in Guatemala. It is a hotel located in the middle of a jungle, only accessible by boat through the river it overlooks. This hotel, built into the jungle, is a perfect place to reconnect with nature. Watch on to see what we did and what more this place has to offer. We started our journey to the hotel from the city of Rio Dulce, where we boarded one of the local boats to bring us into the jungle. When we arrived to Finca Tatin, we were welcomed by the wonderful people that live here in the hotel, and we checked into our waterfront private room here in the middle of Guatemala.
We're about to jump in the water. They say it's cold, but I don't know.
The river was exactly what we needed in this hot Guatemalan day. The water was very clean and refreshing, and most importantly, very accessible from our room. One of the things I really enjoyed during my stay here were the walks around the area. They have hiking trails going all around the property and more, perfect for exploring the jungle in peace and quiet, or commuting back from the city or other sites nearby.
Good morning. We just woke up here in the hotel, in the jungle, and I'm gonna go get breakfast in the big house and enjoy the day.
Thank you. Gracias. Good morning.
Morning. We have breakfast right now, and it's really warm and delicious.
The big house is where we spend most of our time. This is where the dining, lounge, and hammock area is. We come here for every meal, where they serve a wide variety of delicious foods, and where Max and I do our schooling during the day.
Hello everybody, day 2. We just finished eating breakfast and doing school and all of that, and it's time to go swimming, so here we go. Whee!
This was our usual routine here. Go to the big house to eat, do our schoolwork there in the tables, and after, go swimming by the dock. We repeated this routine throughout the day to whatever would fit our schedule best. One of the cool things about staying in this hotel is being able to see all the locals not too far away live their life near the river. Rowboats and speedboats would occasionally pass with passengers heading towards the main cities to grab supplies and commute back home.
Okay, it's our last day here at this hotel, and let's go swimming now. Are you gonna jump in there?
I gotta get Max. You have to peel him off.
No, I'm gonna go on my own.
Hurry up.
I'm gonna jump in. 3, 2.
Depending on how you want to spend your stay here, the hotel offers kayaks you can use to paddle through the river here. You may view many different birds flying over the water and visit the hot springs and waterfalls not too far away.
So she's needing Sarah's pizza for lunch, and it's one of our favorite lunch here.
Next up, a tour of the hotel.
Alright, so welcome to Finca Tatin. My name is Valeria. I'm 17 years old and I'm living in the jungle of Guatemala. So right now we're in the dock. This place is kind of like fabulous because I mean you have a nice view of everything. I mean you can, you know, take the sun here and jump in the river. I mean it's really super clear. So if you want to take like a quick swim in the river, you can do it. It's completely super safe. You're going to enjoy it. The water's really nice, and yeah. This is the map of the whole place. So yeah, it's really big. You have a lot of places to explore. It's really interesting. We have 19 rooms. We have riverview rooms. We have jungle rooms, and we have a gym, and we have a court. So over there's the restaurant. Let's go check it. So welcome to our kitchen. So in here you have a special place also. You can check our menus. We have different options and different delicious food. This is a common area where you can meet new people and make new friends from different other countries in the world. So over there is our bar. We have different drinks and different options for you. Alright, let's go check your rooms. So welcome to our first room, Alacran. This is one of my favorite rooms. It's one of the jungles one, and this has a private bathroom in it, and it's really wonderful. As you can see, we have a lot of different animal names in the rooms. Okay, this is our first room. It's really spacious here. You have a good light, and you have this big bed in here. And trust me, this thing helps with the mosquitoes. And right there we have our private bathroom. If you're looking for a more affordable options, we also have it. We have this rooms with shared bathroom. If you want to have neighbors, this is the best option. Bathroom. If you want to expand like an amazing morning, you will like this room. We're on the top floor and this is the amazing bed, and then when you wake up you can have an amazing view of the whole river in this window. If you're looking for a more peaceful option, we have this private apartment over here. We have 2 rooms and 2 private bathrooms. We also have this kitchen. And this is the dock area of the apartment. If you want to rest in here, you will have a real nice view and a peaceful time with the nature. You'll enjoy it.
Okay, bye guys, adios.
After a couple days in the jungle hotel of Finca Tatin, we had to make our way out to continue the rest of the Central and South America tour. If you want more information about this jungle hotel, go check the links down below.